Hello YouTube, how are you doing? This is Ramesh, I'm a PC technician. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration on your Windows 11 operating systems. Friends, this is a quick tutorial and we can easily fix in 2 simple steps. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. We do post every day a technical video for you. Okay, let's get started. First step, you have to use command prompt to reset the network sockets. To do that, go to the Windows Start button. Then go to type here search and search for CMD or command prompt. You'll find command prompt up under best match result. Right click on that and select run as administrator. Yes to continue. Follow with me. We have to execute few commands here. Let's start one by one. First command netsh space winsock space reset. Then press enter. Then type netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Then press enter. And then guys type netsh space int space ip space reset log dot txt. Then press enter. Now we have reset successfully the network sockets. Then type ipconfig space / flush DNS. Then press enter. And finally you have to type exit to exit the command prompt. Guys, jump to the next step. Go to the Windows search icon, click on that, then find settings. So once you open the settings, find network and internet tab, click on that. At the last you will find advanced network settings. Click on that. Then under more settings you will find network reset. Click on the tab and there you will find reset now button. Guys, before reset I suggest you to take the Wi-Fi passcode backup because you need to use the passcode after reset this. If you want to know how to find the Wi-Fi password which you connected the network, then click the above link. There you will find how to find the Wi-Fi password on your Windows 11 operating systems. So once you know the passcode, then hit on the reset now button and say yes to continue. Friends, now you can see it will show you are about to be signed out within 5 minutes. That means you have to log out or shut down your system in order to work this method. Let me close this for a while and go and restart your Windows operating system. Let me restart by manually. Okay, I have restarted my Windows 11 operating system. Then I trust the problem Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration on your Windows 11 will be solved. So that's it guys. This was the quick and easy tutorial on how to fix the Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration for Windows 11 laptops or desktops. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. Well, I trust I will meet you in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.